Bullish Axie endlessness cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $41.68 and $90.77 by 2030. Market investigators accept Axie could reach $41.68 by 2025. Bearish Axie boundlessness market cost expectation for 2022 is $7.41. Axie boundlessness presentation. Axie boundlessness is a computerized pet local area that joins the best of blockchain innovation with customary gaming. The outcome is a tomfoolery and habit-forming game that permits clients to procure true rewards. The idea of virtual pets isn't new. Be that as it may, what makes Axie limitlessness one of a kind is its utilization of blockchain innovation. This permits players to possess their in-game resources as collectible tokens called Axies. These Axies can be exchanged, reared, or utilized fighting against different players. What is Axie limitlessness? Axie limitlessness is a computerized pet game that permits clients to raise, train, and battle their Axies, animal-like pets that can be gathered from parts. The game highlights a broad thing shop where players can utilize the in-game money, to buy new parts for their Axies, as well as beauty care products and things to assist with interactivity. There is likewise a landmarks mode where players can set their Axies in opposition to one another, thusly based battle. The game was sent off in mid-2018 by Neural Connection Games, and has since seen a consistent expansion in prominence. In November 2018, the game presented a significant update called Beginning, which added another world guide, mission framework, and that's only the tip of the iceberg. From that point forward, the game has kept on including new satisfied and includes a normal premise. In the event that you're searching for a tomfoolery and irresistible pet recreation game with a lot of profundity and replay esteem, make certain to look at Axie Endlessness. Axie Endlessness Major Examination. The group behind Axie Endlessness is exceptionally capable and has a demonstrated history in the gaming business. The game has been live for more than 2 years and has a huge local area of dynamic clients. Axie Endlessness is one of the most well-known games on the Ethereum blockchain and is reliably one of the top dApps by everyday dynamic clients. The game areas of strength for has, with a very much planned economy and numerous ways for clients to procure income. There are in excess of 500 unmistakable body parts accessible for these Axies, including oceanic, creature, bird, bug, plant, and reptile parts. Axies can have any mix of body parts, making them truly alterable and every now and again extraordinary and remarkable. Parts from each kind class have 4 separate unique case scales: normal, uncommon, very interesting, and unbelievable. Each Axie may just variety a sum of multiple times to deal with the quantity of Axies, dissimilar to a few other blockchain-based battling and rearing games. Proprietors of Axie tokens can before long stake their tokens to get reliable payouts. Holders of Axie will likewise have to cast a ballot and play to accept their prizes, as opposed to specific other stakeable resources. Axie Boundlessness Shards. Axie Boundlessness Shards, the biological system's own administration token, are another part. These are utilized to participate in critical administration choices and will give holders a say in how cash from the Axie People Group depository is used. Non-fungible token. Each Axie is a non-fungible token with novel characteristics and capacities that can be utilized in 3v3 battle. The triumphant side acquires insight focuses, which are then applied to stepping up in Axie's details or developing its substantial parts. These Axies can be crossed to make new, unique posterity that can be used or traded on the Axie market. Axie and SLP. Both Axie and SLP are Ethereum network tradable ERC20 tokens. As the local administration badge of the stage, Axie holders partake in Axie's decentralized association and can impact how the stage creates. For instance, by deciding how the environment asset ought to be circulated or how depository cash ought to be utilized. Then again, SLP is acquired through gameplay and might be applied to the reproducing of youthful Axies. Administration. The decentralized administration model of Axie Boundlessness is expected to permit Axie partner cooperation and some stage improvement decisions. Axie Endlessness Current Cost. Axie Endlessness is right now worth $9.26 USD. Axie has moved 0.02% as of now with an exchanging volume of $181,389,472. Axie Endlessness is right now positioned 56 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $895,346,476 USD. Axie limitlessness, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The Axie cost gauge for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $13.89. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $12.97 in cost is very aggressive, however it is achievable soon given expected joint efforts and headway. Axie is supposed to have a base worth of $11.11. Axie Endlessness Value Expectation 2023. In 2023, Axie Endlessness Axie cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Axie will before long outperform $23.16. Notwithstanding, we ought to stand by to check whether the Axie's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Axie will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $18.52 and a typical exchanging cost of $20.38. Axie Limitlessness Value Forecast 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $32.42 and Axie might benefit in the event that the market encounters a decay. The objective may not be met. Axie is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $29.64 and a low of $27.79 in 2024. Axie Endlessness Value Forecast 2025. On the off chance that Axie Endlessness effectively helps market feeling among cryptographic money devotees, the Axie coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Axie will be green in 2025. The Axie is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $41.68, with a base cost of $37.05 and a typical cost of $38.90. Axie Endlessness Value Forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the Axie cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $48.16 by 2026, with a base cost of $46.31 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Axie has a greatest value worth of $50.94. Axie Limitlessness Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $57.43. On the off chance that Axie figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $60.21. Neglecting to accumulate the help Axie needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $55.57. Axie Limitlessness Value Expectation 2028. While Axie is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $64.84 and a yearly cost close above $69.47 in 2028. Axie Endlessness Value Expectation 2029. By 2029, Axie Endlessness will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $74.10 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $78.73, averaging out at $75.95.